setting clear, positive, focused energy and those intentions. Now, we talk about this all the time, and I get asked all the time because every day you're manifesting what you want in your life, and everything's coming together because that energy that you put into it. So big buzz now is 2025. It's going to happen 2020. Okay, but guys, I love ya. But every day you really should be looking at how do you speak it? How do you feel it? And how do you take that inspired action towards those goals, those desires, those things that you want in your life? That's the biggest key, isn't it? So I'm going to give you a couple here, right? Okay, because I love you that much. And I am Angel Marie, your trusted energy healing specialist. And having intentions is setting clear, positive energy about what you want to create, you want to experience. The big one is, what do you want to become? Is there something different? Are you tired of being in that lenticular brain function that keeps bringing you back to that hamster wheel where you keep showing up the same way? And I'm telling you right now, it's more than just wishing. It's more than just hoping. This is quantum physics and understanding that you're a vibrational field. And your circuits and your neural nets and your neural pathways are pinging. And when you really get this and you feel it, maybe you never have, but when you actually feel this, that's when you really align to your thoughts, your emotions, your actions. And that's when your visions, and you can visualize even more. So start by asking yourself something. What do I truly want to feel or achieve? Then I want you to state it clearly and actually write it. And you could do this every day, visualizing every day. And you can already be in the feeling that it's already happening. And tell people that. When people call me and they go, hey, how you doing? Great, I live in Carefree, Arizona on Easy Street. And they go, really? Did you actually move? I'm like, yeah, I'm already there. And then they get it. But do you see how that feeling is? For example, I intend to feel energetic every day. With everything I'm diagnosed with, I'm in chronic pain all the time. However, I intend every day I feel good. I feel energetic, confident, and open to all the limitless possibilities that are throughout my day. I am so excited about what is going to happen and how it's going to come out. So when you think about what do you intend on feeling, because remember, feeling is the feeling, the emotions that create the energy, right? So here's another one. I fully embody. I fully embody and express my unique gifts as the Lifestyle Energizer, the event energy conductor, and your spiritual guide. And I expand, and I'm expanding to that global impact through my EnergizeUtv show. Ooh, I want you to insert in there for you. What is that? I fully embody what? I fully embody this new career as Baba. Do you see what I'm doing? And I fully express my unique gifts because I see you and I love you. You have a beautiful gift. And everybody's waiting for the story and for you to share your knowledge, to share your beautiful, intuitive way that you show up and help others, your service. So please connect to that. And here's another one. I intend to nurture my authentic connections, uplift souls through my energy healing work, and create positive content and inspire, educate, and empower. Insert for you. I intend to nurture and feel this because you are so unique. You really are. And to really connect to that connection and uplift the souls, you do, honey. You really do. So step back for a moment and take a breath. Because staying grounded, centered, being in that place, in that love, that joy, that service, it will, and you will ignite your greater abundance, your spiritual alignment, whatever that means to you, and that meaningful collaboration, connection with all the relationships, that great health, and you will have those new adventures. And those adventures will be with such grace, ease, and glory. I love that one. Grace, ease, and glory is come to me. So speak it, feel it, and take inspired action towards what you want in your life. And I'm here to help you if you need any help with that. I am Angel Marie, your angel of light. And I'm here to help you, to guide you, to cheer you on. You can feel it as you feel this energy of such love and light and blessings to you. Hear from you soon. Oh, you know what? Go ahead and leave a comment that you get this and do something. Tell me what the action is you're going to do, and you can leave it on a private message. I'd love to hear it because I love you.